Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on OPPO A6 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. To launch the customization menu, all we need to do is to hold on an empty space on our home screen just like that, or we can perform that move. Now, in here we can quickly change the wallpaper. Simply tap on that. In here you can pick the wallpaper from that list. If you click on more wallpapers, you'll be able to download more of them. Remember that some of them require a payment. And here we have a whole list, and you can pick the wallpaper that you want. Above, you can select your own wallpaper from your gallery. Simply pick the photo, and also you can create a carousel wallpapers. Alright, next to it we have the icons. We can change their style in here above, and also their shape. You can click on custom and manually select their shape, and also change the foreground. You need to scroll down and you have that bar, and you can move left and right to adjust it. You can also select the icon size, and if you click on Adopt System Colors, you can see that their style has been changed and we have like themed icons. You can also change the app name size. We have that bar, we have 5 positions that we can select. I'll stick to that one. In my case, I don't want those system colors, so I will turn it off. If you click on more, you can download more of those themes. Alright, for now I'll stick to the classic one. And if you want, you can enable art plus icons, use redesigned icons for third-party apps. It is up to you, do you want to keep it or not. If you want to apply the changes, hit this button down below. Just like that, really easy. Okay, next things are the widgets. First I need to disable the lock layout feature to add a widget. Simply tap on that, and in here you have a list of apps of which you can add a widget. So let's try to add a widget, for example, from YouTube. Under each widget you can see the size. For example, this one is 4:2. Actually, let's add the widget from the YouTube music. As you can see, it has appeared on our home screen. If you grab it on the edge, you can change its size. And if you hold it, you can change its position anywhere that you want on the screen. Really easy thing. If you want to remove it, simply hold and click on Remove Widget. Now let's try to add another one. Or maybe not that one because it's too big. Let's do it in a different way. Maybe this one. I'm wondering about one thing. I need to check it. Okay, unfortunately it's not possible. I was checking, is it possible to simply create a stack of widgets, but it's impossible. But I highly recommend adding your own widgets and, organizing your layout. When it comes to the layout and the home screen itself, we can change the layout right in here. Currently we are using 4:6, but we can also select 5:6. Well, basically when we select that mode, more apps can be placed in one row, but their size is smaller. So you just need to select which mode you want to use. I'll stick to 4:6, then simply hit on apply to save the changes. We can also change the transition effects. In here, if you tap on one of those effects, you can see a preview how it's going to look like. So we have roll, we have the cube, we have the flip, we have the card, and we also have the tilt simply select the mode that you would like to use. For now, I'll stick to flip, I'll click on apply, I'll click on done, and you can see that the mode has been successfully selected and we have flip transition effect. Okay, and on the right side we have more. Now we can change the home screen style with the drawer or standard one. Currently it's set with the drawer, so when I'm on the home screen I can slide to the app side to see the app drawer, and in here I'll find all of the apps that are installed on my device. If this mode is turned off, you won't have that drawer and all of your apps will be on your home screen. If you want, you can lock your layout. If this mode is enabled, you won't be able to simply move any app or widgets or basically everything on your home screen because everything will be locked. Sometimes it's good because let's say that we have created our perfect preset and our perfect layout and we don't want to change it by a misclick. So that's the moment when we can lock the layout and nothing wrong will happen by an accident. We also have the icon autofill. It is a pretty cool feature. It works in that way that when we have apps that are close to each other, and now when I will delete one of those apps, let's say the Amazon, the Spotify app will jump into the place where the Amazon app was placed to simply fulfill that gap that would be created when this mode isn't enabled. You can see that it happened just like I have said. Spotify jumped into the place of the Amazon and that gap has been fulfilled. If you click on more, you can enable the double tap to lock, double tap an empty space on the home screen to lock the screen. Pretty useful thing. It works in that way. We can quickly turn off the screen in that way. If you want, you can keep that enabled. You can also change the app animation speed from the standard, for example, into the enchanted, and you can see the difference that the animation will be much faster than in the standard mode. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.